Going to learn how to use Clojure with intellij. So first is that you have to download the intellij and install it properly. After that, when you open the intellij, something like this will appear on your screen. Go to the configurations and then click on the plugins. We are going to use cursive plugin for to run Clojure in intellij. So type cursive, press enter. So I have already installed cursive. Once you install the cursive, a restart IDE button will pop up. You have to restart your IDE and everything will be fine. Once you are done, click on the new project, create new project. You can use any kind of the project, Java project, Maven project, or even in other kinds of projects. So I'm going to use the Maven project. Create next. So you have to specify your group ID and artifact ID. I'm going to just specify com dot clj, and then my artifact ID will be I first. Click next. So now mm, your project will get started up. Close. Okay. Auto enable imports. Okay. So now you want to open in REPL to check if it is working fine, working properly. So mm, click on add configurations. On the plus button, if you click, you'll get so many options. Click on clojure REPL. You'll go for the local one. And REPL, you can name your REPL the name the way you want to name it. So I'm going to name it as first. Run configuration, no module is found. Okay. Okay, so no module is found. If something, when you try and run this module first, it will not run because there is no clojure dependency added. In this case, you have to add a clojure dependency. So go to the POM file, which is in the first, and you can see the pom.xml file. In the pom.xml file, after the version, just type dependencies. Inside the dependency, so now you have to so now you have to find the Maven clojure dependency. So go for the Google search. If you want, you can search on Google. So it's easy. So give clojure Maven dependency. Go to Maven repositories. Clojure. I generally go for Clojure 8 because it's a stable version and it works really fine with the other things. Or you can go for any other higher versions if you want. So just in here, copy paste this entire code. Control C, Control V, and then you will see the process running and all the installments, and then you have to restart your REPL. So restarting may take a lot of time, a bit of time, 1 to 2 minutes. So you have to wait. Once it restarts, it will be all fine. So now your REPL is started and you can run your commands here. Let me try a simple command. Hello, it's printing. Let me try with another command, which is the addition. So now your REPL is working fine. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. And for more Clojure update, stay tuned to this channel.